I like how their voices blend together.
I like that. Then it's got kind of a jazz feel to it.
Wow.
That was unique. What up, what up, what up? This is Ray and
Cha-cha!
and we're going to do another reaction video for you.
Yes, guys, welcome back to our channel, guys, and we do hope that everybody is staying safe wherever you are. For today's video, this is our very first time reacting to this group, but they are from the first take from Japan. Yes, guys, and I'm excited. SixTONES is the name of the group, and they are performing Imitation Rain. So yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and fasten our seatbelt and listen to SixTONES performing Imitation Rain. Imitation Rain. The first take. I always like whenever they perform, they have to kind of like exercise. There you go. It's so cute. He's cute.
Better watch it with that cute stuff.
They look so young.
They do look very young.
Imitation Rain. Ooh, I like that. I wonder if there is a subtitle to this. Oh no.
Nope.
It's unavailable. I like that.
That's nice.
I like how their voices blend together. Dancing in the Rain.
What's the meaning of life? What's the point of getting it right? Cause everything's fake.
What?
Everybody blames to keep the faith. Just say everything breaks. Price of fame, what's supreme? Cut my mind like a razor blade. Break this endless game.
Wow.
That was unique. Well, I want to see that again.
Yeah, let's listen to that again.
Let's see if we can. It's gonna be about right here, maybe.
Here you go. I like that.
Everything just goes silent, and then he comes in with.
What's the meaning of life?
It's almost like rap lyrics.
What's the point of getting it right? 'Cause everything's fake. Everybody frames to keep the faith. Just say everything breaks. Price of fame, what's supreme? Cut my mind like a razor blade.
I like this. Then it's got kind of a jazz feel to it.
Peace of mind is shutting down. Should I play this endless game?
And then his voice.
Yeah, yeah.
That is so nice.
It's like a little short intermission or something.
Keep dancing in the rain till love comes to life.
Wow. I like this.
Shall we play this game? 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて戻れない時を振り返る流れる時間を止めて My friend いつかはたどり着くよ夢のせい
He looks so calm.
Wait a second. This guy, I think he's like the youngest looking one out of all of them to me. What do you think?
No, I think the other one. The very calm.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Sorry.
時には激しく心に降り注ぐ Shall we play this game? 紅に染まるまで雨に打たれて
I love that piano.
It was cool the way he did that at the end with the piano. It just kind of, the tempo just kind of wound down a little bit.
And then hold on, guys. I'm sorry, I have to repeat this. You know that piano, and then look at that other guy. He said, "Are we done yet?"
Oh, did
Hold
he?
on. Yeah, hold on a second. I love that ending.
Yeah, that's nice.
Him. He said, "Are we done yet?" Look, he's ready to take his headphone.
Like, come on. Or,
Are we done yet?
Or really, I mean, this is like the end, right?
Wow.
That was unique.
It is very unique. Like
Yeah.
the six of them have different have different voices, but like I said, when they blend together, they just perfect.
As far as tones are concerned and their octaves they're kind of on the same wavelength with each other, I think. But what I found really interesting was that little breakdown right there in the middle of the song, where it turns into like a jazzy tune, and then it's not really rap lyrics, because it's not like what you would think of as rap music or anything, but it was just kind of like a brief moment of poetry
Yeah,
or
that's
something
true. That's true.
over the jazz tones.
Yeah. It breaks down.
Yeah,
Like you said,
yeah, I
it
like
just breaks
that.
down everything.
I was grooving that little
Yeah.
jazz tune, man. That was great.
And I like it at the end where the instruments are just like playing, and then the piano. Yeah. And the one that you just said that the youngest, you thought it was the youngest one. I think for me that from the six of them, he is like the most charming, because
really?
like you can tell like he's smiling while he's singing. For that's just for me, okay. That's just my opinion. And but unlike everybody else, they're just like they are very like concentrating on. I mean, he was too, but like I said, he's enjoying the moment.
Sure.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, this is fun. We like this. And I
We
do-
always like different stuff.
Yes. So if you have anybody else, guys, that you would like us to do a reaction video, please comment below. Don't hesitate to comment below, and we'll read it. And yes, and if you like this reaction video, guys, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and of course ring that notification bell so we can stay connected. And oh guys, imitation rain. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.